Arizona Riders Club.
Ride with us.
Back for more. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Y'all know who it is. Take a look at this paint job, man. Candy paint all through that there. We got a Lexus LS 450. Got shines on it and everything. It's a pretty nice whip, man. I like how it chameleons into the brown or the gold. I don't know if you guys can see it. Lots of flake in there. It's popping. LS 460L, guys. Little off, but y'all know how I do. Out here at the auction again, man. Almost risking my life. I damn near had a heat stroke. It is hot out here, y'all. So give me a like, share this video, and as usual, ride with us. What a do, family? It's T with Arizona Riders Club out here for a brand new rendition of At the Auction. We are in an undisclosed location out here, Phoenix, Arizona. We've got some golf carts, forklifts. I wanted to come over here and take a look at this quad. Some bikes back there, some cruisers. Not really interested, but I am going to take a look at this quad right here with the gun rack, 30-30. Looks like somebody's going hunting. Might be T. Hunting for a deal. Anyway, they've got boats. They've got RVs. They've got forklifts. They've got party buses. And also vehicles, man. Y'all know how we get down. Take a look at these boats, man. Like that one in the back. Got a little bass boat up top. Got a speedboat right there. And the little skipper right here at the end. I know it's been a long time since I came and gave you guys an auction review. You know, been busy trying to get it done. Sales, sales, sales. Y'all know how we do. It's been going pretty well so far. We are in the beginning of September. We're trying to get this done. Oh man, I can't get behind that glass, but I want to take a look at that sea nymph back there. Here, hold on. There we go. Yeah, I like that one. What do y'all think? Leave me a comment. Y'all know who it is. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. Ride with us.